Hey, we are in a different time when it comes to the sneaker game, man. We are in a time, in the age where general release Jordans are getting more attention than collabs. And I never thought I would say that. Maybe the Jordan 1s are actually officially dead, even though they're not to me. Maybe to y'all they are, man. But we have the official release date, sneakers at release date of the Union Jordan 1. And this one right here, man, as you guys can see on the screen, 44,000 stock number. This is the one that everybody likes the most. And I'm going to tell you guys, hey, do not panic. Hold off. I think this sneaker is going to be basically at retail. In my personal opinion, this sneaker might do just a tad bit better than the Chicago Shadow joints that dropped last year. And that effect that we seen where it's sitting close to retail, hey, I think that's going to be the case for this sneaker. And we're already seeing that with the price right now. It's dwindling down. Now, will this sneaker sell out? Absolutely. It's going to sell out. I'm not saying it's not going to sell out. But to be patient and not overreact, you should be able to get this sneaker for very close to retail after the release date. Because a lot of people still have yet to get their pairs from Union. You have all the other places like Almamaneer and all these other places that are going to be shipping out their pairs. And then we have this sneakers app where the stock is looking pretty hefty when it comes to a Union collab. Even though this is the one that everybody wants, I feel like when people get their pairs, hey, you might be able to negotiate and get these things for retail. But hey, let's do what we always do. Let's talk about it. Let's go. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about the upcoming Union Jordan 1 that's going to be dropping tomorrow in this red, white, and blue colorway. To me, this is the best one. I like this one personally, and I think a lot of you guys feel that way. Before we get up to this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, when it comes to this sneaker, retail is $205. I don't know why they do it $05. And I said when they start making Jordans over $200, Jordan 1s, I was done. And hey, look, man, it ain't too many of them that I want. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But this is a colorway that I want. This is something I probably would try to trade for, if anything. But if you are watching this video and you are wondering if this is a sneaker that you need to have to resell, I think it's gonna take a little time, a long time for this sneaker to gain some resale value. I think that if you hold off just a little bit, that you should be able to get this thing for retail or really close. I think the market is already kind of showing us that. Will it sell out on sneakers? Absolutely. It's the only place that's going to be dropping it tomorrow. All the other places that have theirs, you know what I'm saying? Well, it might be a couple of boutiques and stuff that's going to be dropping them. Maybe first come, first serve and stuff like that. But, of course, it's going to sell out. It is a Union collab. But I don't think the resale market, the demand is going to be that crazy for them. I think this is the most light colorway. But when it comes to that demand, if people want to pay that little bit of extra money for them, I don't think that's the case for this sneaker. Now, the way of the game is always supply and demand. Whenever something is super limited, that tends to be what people gravitate to, whether it's for resale or for hype beast or for whatever reason, man. It makes it more appealing. And the fact that this is the one that, even though everybody like this colorway the best, they feel like this is the best color blocking, because they are giving us that 44,000 stock number, and a lot of places have this sneaker. A lot of people have had this sneaker early. A lot of people don't, they just not gonna pay that money for it. They're gonna think that they can wheel and deal, and I agree 100% with them. I think that this is going to have the similar, but just a little bit different. Maybe this one's gonna be a little bit more than the Union Chicago Shadow joints, but hey, it won't be off by much, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do think that we're at a point where the impact of Jordan 1s just ain't what they used to be, man. People just ain't messing with them no more. Now, would this happen with a Travis Scott? I don't think so. So I don't know why it's with the Unions and stuff like that, but hey, maybe it's just the OG colorways trying to just mesh and just blending together. Maybe people just ain't mess with that. But this is a Union Fragment Jordan collab, a trio. And honestly, it's what we've been wanting. I'm shocked to see that this is something that's going to be at retail, but I love it because that means that we'll be able to get our pairs. But y'all comment down below, let me know if y'all gonna be going for this. Do y'all agree or disagree? Have you already got your pairs in? Or is this gonna be a double up for y'all? That's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, know what's hype. Remember everything we talk about. Just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.